Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage saved passwords on Vivo Y21S in Google. And to do this, first let's open our Google Chrome. I have it right here. And the next thing, if you want to save any password, you will need to open any website that requires you to log in. Here's Amazon, and if we try to log in using the password, so let's go for password. It's incorrect for this account, but I'm here just to show you how to save that. On top, this thing appears, and you can update or save new password for this website. Now, if you want to edit or delete this specific password, or if you forgot your password for the website and you want to check it, then click on these three lines in the top right corner of the screen, open the settings. Here select passwords. Now you can see that the passwords are saving. There's a switch right here for it, auto sign in, and on the bottom we have the passwords. There's amazon.com, and if we click on it, we can see our username. In this case there's no username because as I mentioned, it was a fake account. And click on this eye right here to see the password. You will need to verify that it's you by using your fingerprint or unlock pattern of this device. And here the password appears. You can click on done. And also, if you want to remove the password, simply click and hold it. Click on the password, and then in the top right corner of the screen there's this trash bin icon, and you can delete the password like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.